Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Umkosinaphilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining. Akhohle ukulike, usubscribe, ushare video as well. So sizokhuluma ke ngomcimbi we-MK party kule video. Siyabona ukuthi izolo ngathi bekunomcimbi lapha ngase Moses Mabhida Stadium okuthiwa ke i-MK bebungaza ke their first anniversary celebration that was underway, something like that. So yeah, many guys, ngizosicupha kade lisando story ngoba ngiyasibona sikhona ka iso lezwe even though bebefaka ama clips something like that. Kukhulunywa ke ngomcimbi womkhonto wesizwe. Ukhona othela phana ungene kwanyakaza inkundla iMoses Mabhida Stadium umongameli weMK umnumzana uJacob Zuma. iMK bibungaza ke ukuhlangana konyaka yasungula the first year anniversary. Kukhulunywa nangoDuduzane Zuma obekhona laphana. You guys siyabona kama video efika uDuduzane Zuma laphana emcimbini. Bathela phana SABC umongameli weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uJacob Zuma usephinde wagcizelela ubumqoka bokubambisana phakathi kwamaqembu abantu abansundu ukuze kuthathwe ke umbuso wezwe. Bekhuluma lapha emcimbini wokugubha ke unyaka kwasungula iqembu leli eThekwini. Ukhona thena ke siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngomsebenzi owenziwe eMoses Mabhida Stadium. We have been working so hard since umsholozi wahlaba ikhwelo on the 16th of December 2023 leading up to elections and post-elections. Only a child engaboni ukuthi la kwakhiwa iqembu eliphilayo. In due time we have set up constitutional structures. Many people will love this movement. They want no any other political party except umkhonto wesizwe. There is still a lot that needs to be done that requires a discipline and honest character and of the organization. Amaphutha enziwe ANC namanye amaqembu asikwazi ukwaphinda, something like that, meaning ukuthi bona ke bezenza kangcono when it comes to ke leli qembu umkhonto wesizwe. I think ngizoya lapha ka Daily Sun engibona bebhalile ngaleli qembu bethu umkhonto wesizwe party's first anniversary celebration was underway. Thousands of party members gathered at Moses Mabhida Stadium in eThekwini, KZN on Sunday 15th December for the celebration. The party was launched by the party leader Ubaba Jacob Zuma in Soweto on the 16th of December. As namhlanje 16 bafethu, this marks 1 year for it is their first birthday. Now it has since been a buzz in the political space with prominent people from other political parties joining EMK. Speaking on the sideline, former EFF member, now MK member Advocate Dali Mpofu said the truth is that whether people like it or not, no one can deny that 16th December 2023 marked a new wave in Mzansi politics. Ours is to now build and consolidate and make sure that come 2029 we are in charge of this country and bring total liberation. That's what Udali Mpofu said. Asked about his alleged plan to collapse the EFF, Mpofu Tena, his departure from the EFF was built on a false narrative. Utena, I never suggested that the EFF must collapse. That is a lie, a complete nonsense. How do you collapse the EFF? How do you even do that? Bembuza ke ngokumosha EFF. Mpofu said he left the party as he no longer believed in it. I say it as a fact. There were people in that meeting. Saba Nayoke, the president of UDM, was there. The president of AZAP was there, and two representatives of the EFF were there. If I said it, that they would know. Now you cannot build a progressive platform on a lie. The issue about going to MK party, I, Dali Mpofu, believe that the platform is going to totally liberate the unity of our people is umkhonto wesizwe. Now, they were expecting Ubaba Zuma to deliver the speech by then. We see this is Duduzane Zuma and Ubaba Penny as well as sure ukuthi ama-video engizowathata lana online. Mhlambe I will put them on my screen or maybe just put pictures for you ukuthi uzibonele ukuthi what was happening when it comes to umqembu umkhonto wesizwe when they were celebrating their first year anniversary, something like that. Beku green white lapha bafowethu bekukuhle nje ngempela ngathi it was packed, very packed. Yakhula le party bafowethu, only 1 year old, and this is what is happening. Congratulations to them bafowethu, yonke into ngathi hambe kahle. Anything else, you guys, I'm going to make sure that I update you about the story of the MK Party's first anniversary. Thank you so much for watching the video. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe the channel, ufake your notification bell on ukuze ungaphuthela ama videos uploadayo. Therefore, you will be notified mangabe silahlela a video each and every time. Thank you so much. We like a video, we share futhi share labanye bantu. Thank you so much. We'll meet again on my next upload. Bye.